Now we will discuss about freon. Freon are commonly used as a refrigerant in air conditioners and refrigerators. Use as refrigerant in refrigerator and air conditioner. Freons are compounds which are used as refrigerant in refrigerator and air conditioner, and they are also known as CFC. They are CFC. CFC means C stand for chloro, F stand for fluoro, and this C stand for carbon. So they are known as chlorofluorocarbon. Now we can take some example of CFC. Example CF4, tetrafluoromethane, and this is known as freon 1,4. Next CF3Cl, that is known as monochloro trifluoromethane, and this is also known as freon 1,3. And next example CFCl3, that is known as freon 1,1. And most commonly used freon is freon 1,2, and the formula of freon 1,2 is CF2Cl2. Freons are compounds of carbon containing chlorine and fluorine, so they are known as chlorofluorocarbon. Now we will discuss about the naming of chlorofluorocarbon. Naming of freon or CFCs. Suppose general formula of freon is CXHYFZ and ClR. It means this freon contains X atom of carbon, Y atom of hydrogen, and Z atom of fluorine, and R atom of chlorine. Now we can write the name of this freon. Freon X minus 1, Y plus 1, and Z. It means first digit is number of carbon minus 1, second digit is number of hydrogen plus 1, and third digit is number of fluorine atom. And there is not a requirement to show the number of chlorine in its name, because it is understood that carbon has 4 valencies. If we know about the number of hydrogen and fluorine atom, we can write easily number of chlorine atoms. Now we can take an example CF2Cl2. Now we can compare it by this formula. Here number of carbon atom, that is X, is equal to 1, and number of hydrogen atom here is 0, so we can write Y is equal to 0, and number of fluorine atom is equal to 2, so we can write Z is equal to 2, and number of fluorine atom is equal to 2, so we can write R is equal to 2. Now we can write name of this compound freon. X is equal to 1, so we can write 1 minus 1. Y is equal to 0, so we can write 0 plus 1, because here we have to write Y plus 1, and now we have to write Z, so we can write here 2. So this will be freon 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1, and this 2, and 0 is understood, so we can write only freon 1 2. So we can say that the name of CF2Cl2 is freon 1 2. Now we can take another example CF3Cl. Now we can write name of this compound freon. Here number of carbon atom is 1, so we can write 1 minus 1. Here number of hydrogen atom is 0, so we can write 0 plus 1. Here number of fluorine atom is equal to 3, so we can write 3. So it will be freon 0 1 3, or we can write only freon 1 Now we will discuss about the preparation of freon. Preparation of freon. Firstly, we take a carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, plus HF, that is hydrogen fluoride, and this will react in presence of SbCl3, that is antimony trichloride. This behave like a catalyst in this reaction, and this forms CCl2F2 plus HCl. Now we can balance the equation. Here two chlorine present, here 4 chlorine present, so we can write 2 in front of this. Now they will form CCl2F2 plus HCl. Now we can balance the equation. Here 4 atom of chlorine present, so we can write 2 here in front of HCl, and here 2 plus 2, 4 chlorine atom present. Here 2 hydrogen atom present, so we can write 2 here in front of HF. Here 2 hydrogen present, here also 2 hydrogen present. Now here 2 fluorine atom present, there is 2 fluorine atom present, and here 1 carbon, and equation has been balanced. And this is a type of CFC or a freon, and this is freon 1 2. So we can prepare freon 1 2 by this method. In this reaction we react carbon tetrachloride with hydrogen fluoride in presence of antimony trichloride, that is behave like a catalyst, form freon 1 2 plus HCl. Now uses of freon, as we discussed before, it is used as refrigerant in refrigerators and air conditioning. And second use, it is used as propellant in aerosol and foam. There are two uses of freon. First one is as a refrigerant and second one is as a propellant. And now we will discuss about the harms of freon. Harms of freon. First, it is harmful for ozone layer. It reacts with ozone layer and deplete this ozone layer, and as we know, ozone layer is very useful for us. It protects us from ultraviolet radiation, and this freon deplete this ozone layer, so this is harmful for us, because if ozone layer has been completely depleted, then ultraviolet radiation will come to the earth and destroy the species which are present on earth. Now second harm, it absorbs radiations emitted by earth and contribute in greenhouse effect leading to global warming. This contribute in greenhouse effect leading to global warming.